In this video, I will share my top 10 tips and tricks with you how to make your articleship a success, and there will be a bonus tip at the end. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. For those of you who are here for the first time, I'm Rupal. I am a graduate from Shri College of Commerce and a chartered accountant, and for the last 8 years I have been a taxation consultant. In today's video, we will talk about articleship. For those of you who don't know, articleship is a 3 years mandatory on-the-job training for chartered accountancy students. For the first 2 years, the students have to serve under a practicing CA, and for the third year, they can choose to be under the practicing CA or they can choose an industrial training. Articleship is really important because it lays the foundation for your entire chartered accountancy journey. In my previous video, I spoke about my CA journey, and I did my articleship in BMR Advisors, which was one of the best boutique tax consulting firms of its times. So let's start. Point number 1, focus on the basics first. See, articleship is the starting of your corporate life. So nobody expects you on the very first day that you should know all the technicals. It is on the job training, right? Similarly, you should also set your expectations right, that you would not get a super technical work on the day one. And in the first few days, first few weeks, you should focus on setting all your basics right. The basics can be as simple as how to get a perfect printing, how to do photocopying, how to do formatting of a document, how to make a legal document of a Word document, a PowerPoint presentations, an Excel sheet. What is the standard font type or the font size of your organization in presentations, in Excels, in Word documents? All these are very, very basic things, and that is what you should focus first. No matter what work you are given, you should do it with 100% of your zeal. It will show your dedication towards the work, because tomorrow you guys will become managers, and all these basic things will set the parameters and the standards of your document, and that is why, because you have done it first, you would be able to guide your team. Number 2, there is no substitute for hard work. There is a famous saying, he who sweats more in the training bleeds less in the war. That's exactly applicable here. The more you do hard work here, the more you do interesting assignments, that is going to repay you in future. And even if sometimes you have to slog, it is okay, bite that bullet, because this is actually building your corporate profile. Point number 3, always be professional. This is the starting of your professional life. So you have to start learning the professional etiquettes from, professional dressing, personal hygienes, how to greet in the morning with a smile, how to introduce yourself. If you're given a business card, how to exchange that. If you already have one, how to give your business card to the other person. All these things you will learn in the starting, and that will go on a long way in your career trajectory. Number 4 is organization standards. Now, every organization has some or the other rules and regulations. These rules not only help us in getting into a routine, but also help us in setting an accountability structure. For example, coming to office on time, filling timesheets regularly, or for that matter, confidentiality of information and how to maintain that and not do a security breach. Or this one's my favorite actually, learning about the risk management procedures. Now, a lot of articles, and even I used to think it back then, that this is an unnecessary hassle. Why should we do it? And this is just a wastage of time. It is not a client deliverable. But trust me guys, this is a very important step. It comes to your rescue if tomorrow there is any dispute between the client and the consultant. So learn about these organization standards, and these will help you to develop a better perspective for organization as a whole. Number 5, maintain a work journal. Now, every CA student maintains a journal for submitting to the ICI about the kind of work that they're doing. But here I'm talking about maintaining your personal journal about the work that you're doing. Maintain all the interesting assignments, the learnings from there, your mistakes, and it will not only help you later on in the year-end evaluation, it will also help you in building your CV in the future, or for that matter building your LinkedIn profile. And tomorrow when you learn about all the theoretical part of it, you can actually go back to your journal and see how that theory correlates with the practical side. Number 6 is a mantra from my articleship days. It is okay to make mistakes, but do not make the same mistake twice. Now, this is what my seniors used to say, that to err is to human, right? So if you're making mistake, that is completely okay, but learn from your mistakes, implement your learnings, and never make the same mistake twice, so that they also know that you're actually working on yourself. Number 7 is develop interpersonal skills and networking. Now, networking plays a major role in consulting life. Every person is different, and dealing with different persons help you build your interpersonal skills. So connect with different people, develop a rapport with them, talk to different team members, talk to different departments, talk to different clients, and this rapport development which you will do in the articleship days will really help you in your future. These people actually can be your future clients when you become manager tomorrow, or for that matter if you want to switch the job, they can actually help you in that zone. Number 8 is quality into time. This is again a mantra from my articleship days, and it goes like, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and stay ahead of your competition, you have to give a high quality deliverable within a stipulated time. Let me explain how. For example, you give a very high quality deliverable to the client or to your senior, but it was not within the stipulated time. It will have a lesser value. Or you give a very quick deliverable, but the quality was low or very average. Now, this will not be appreciated again by the client. So if you want to stay ahead of the competitor, you have to give a high quality deliverable within a stipulated time, so that it adds timely value for your clients and also to your seniors. Number 9, seek feedback. Now, feedbacks are of two types. First, seek feedback from yourself. Compare your version which you had sent to your senior vis-a-vis the version the senior has sent to the client. Now, this will help you see what is the value that your senior had created and what more you can do next time when you are working on any assignment. And the second feedback is by sitting with your seniors on a periodic basis and seeking an active feedback from them, that what you have done so far, how you have performed, and what more you can do in the days to come. Asking these relevant questions will not only help you improve in future, but also develop a trusted relationship with your seniors and within your team. The 10th tip is balance of life. Now, in articleship days, you're not only learning on the job, but you're also studying, and it is very important to maintain a balance between the two. Don't leave your studies in the last few days or last few months of your articleship. Always start on a proactive basis, and always talk to your seniors. They have done it in the past, so they can help you guide better. But start proactively so that you are always maintaining a balance between your work and your studies, and at the same time, whatever theories you will learn, you can practically side by side implement in the live client situations. And here is the bonus tip. This is again a mantra that I had learned back in my articleship days, and it goes like this, that your job is not done when you are given a particular task and you do it. Your job is actually done when you can replace your senior, so that your senior thinks how they can replace their seniors, and it's a dominoes effect, and it creates an effective and efficient value chain. In this way, clearing your exams will only be a formality and you're already ready for the next level. These are the tips and tricks from my side. If you have any other tips or tricks that you are applying in your articleship, please leave it in the comment section below. You can also share your questions and your comments on Instagram and Facebook. All the social media channels are in the description box. If you're someone who likes to see informational and inspirational videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so you don't miss on any update. That's it for today's video. Keep visualizing your goals and dream big. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.